Hey guys, so I got a lot of messages from you guys all about now. So many PM. So in this video, we're gonna talk about what does the chart tell us to where now is going. If you own now, let's see where it is headed now. Should you also buy more? Should you add? Or should you actually take profits? Check this video out.
Please subscribe to Marvin Hermo's channel and smash that bell.
Yo,
Bye!
no! Salamat! So guys, this is just me responding to all of your messages. I hope you enjoy the charts. I hope that it helps you analyze it more. And again, please remember, the whole goal of this is to remove emotions from your trades, is to remove emotions on how you buy and sell the stock. So for those who are making money, the best thing that you can do is to follow your conviction on what you're supposed to do and to follow where your sell signal is. Please don't be too emotional if you're starting to earn. Please also don't be too emotional if you were not able to buy as well. So enjoy. Hey guys, so I know I posted 2 videos already today, but I got more than 100 PMs just the past 2 hours asking about what cost now to start to move up. So because you guys requested it, because you guys sent messages about it, and I got PMs from different social media platforms, I'm doing this video for you guys. So I've never done, I think I've never done 3 videos in a day, but because of you guys, but because of this request, we're gonna do 3 videos, and let's see what the charts are saying. Please remember, everything that I'm talking about is just basically from the charts. Everything, my whole narrative, my whole style, and how I trade and how I invest is just predominantly based on either fundamentals or technical analysis. Since we're talking about now, please remember, it's pretty much price driven, it's pretty much action driven, it's pretty much driven by the hope of what it could possibly be. So it's not really something that you would buy just plainly because of what the financial ratios are saying, or predominantly based on what the fundamentals are saying. That being said, allow me to plot the charts for now. People are asking what caused it. I don't know, because the whole spiel, the whole narrative of why we use technical analysis is basically we do not want to guess. We don't need to find out, we don't need to speculate on what the news item is. We don't need to forecast what it is, or we don't even have to interpret it. Should you find out what particular item it is, or what news trigger caused the stock to go up, we don't need to know that anymore for technicals, and that's the beauty of it, and that's how you could actually win regardless of where you are in life, regardless of what you're doing, because the ability for you to be able to trade well is from you knowing and using the chart. So comment now if you own the stock already. Comment now also if you are more bullish than the stock than where it was before. So let's go. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zoom in first so I could show you more context on where it is. Anyways, so as you get more context, also you have I guess a certain set of relevance also on where it could possibly go. So that being said, if you notice, if you notice, all 4 moving averages that I use are relatively bullish already. So this shows you that, hey, for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, you know what this means when we see all of these moving averages all plot together. For those who call it junction, kumpul, whatever terminologies you're putting towards this, I don't know. It shows you that from this perspective, it broke out from this very, very large segment of moving averages. So looking at it from an MA perspective, we're seeing the stock break past all 4 moving averages, denoting that it's more bullish than where it was. Next, even if I look at the MACD, you would notice that if I zoom in and show you the MACD, for those who are position traders, you know our style in this, and every time it starts to cross above the 0 level, you know that it's more bullish than where it possibly was. You know that there's a larger sense of buying as well. But that being said, also this area a few days back, it already denoted that there was a change in direction for the stock as well. So you have a change in direction that was pinpointing to this. Then it got capitulated by the large move up. For those who know our for those who know our analysis, when we see MACDs move in this direction, especially those of you guys who attend other Stock Smart sessions, when you see this combo and this combo move together and plot, if I would plot my support and resistance here over the short term, you would see that there's a breakout already from this resistance level. As you notice, this is a resistance from somewhere at the start of October, so you're seeing it break out from this level, but it doesn't just stop there. You're also seeing it break out from uh, this level. So this was a resistance that turned into a support, which started from August last year. So you're seeing a stock that for more than, probably you can put it, 2 months, had a level of 3.15 that used to be moving as support and resistance as well. So to give you further context, allow me to zoom out further. As I zoom out further, you will see this narrative that you have a resistance here, pegged by this support level, resistance, resistance. You have this resistance level at the 4.3 peso level as well. So that being said, over a longer perspective, should now continue its push up. It will try to challenge this resistance level. However, I'd like to also note that there's also another resistance somewhere you can peg it around this level. So there's two resistances to watch out for. One is a stronger one, around the 4.3 level. Then another one is the intermediate one, the shorter one at the 3.7 level. So just for you to know also that we have never seen now go above the 3.7 level since August 30, and it hit also the 4.3 level at around just August 28th, so just a few days prior to that as well. What else? If I add volume also to the mix, this was relatively accompanied, no, by better than normal volume compared to the previous days, more than the average, more than the previous days as well. So that being said, the way I would watch this is basically, number one, it needs to stay above 3.15. Now must stay above the 3.15 level for it to possibly have a movement up. If it does not hold 3.15, possible narrative and possible drop for this is, you could see now go, number one possible move is, if it doesn't stay above 3.15, it could possibly retrace, and I believe it could maybe rest here at around the 3 peso level. Or if selling continues, it could just hover and go back to the 2.65 level, which is where it hit last October and it hit it last August as well. So that being said, it might be nice to see that the stock is moving up. It might be nice to see that the stock is pushing up. But please remember, it's still moving within this range. Whatever you're seeing is not something that you should be surprised about. Why? Because the main underlying range for now is 2.65, which is where we see a support, and then you have resistances at 3.7 and 4.3. So that being said, I will one thing that's causing me to be more bullish for now is MACD being above zero, and you have a indicator showing you that whatever movement up you're seeing is still predominantly there. Aside from that, is you also have all of the moving average bullish, and you also have a breakout from all of those moving average. Then you also have a breakout from the 3.15 level. Then you also have a large green candle accompanied by volume. So all of that showing that the stock is bullish, but it must break out from 3.7 and the 4.3 peso level for us to be able to see that there is a push and a larger sense that the stock is headed higher as well. So I guess that's it. Comment below if you own now. Comment below if this gave you clarity. Comment below if you know what the trigger is, whatever news item there is for now. So if you know what it is, comment below and I'll try to make another video off of that. If you have other stocks that you would want me to analyze, just comment them below as well, and I'll make another video off of that, because you all know what my narrative is. The goal and the heart of why I continue to make videos like this is just basically to push you and to nudge you, so that as you can see, it just takes a few seconds, a few minutes for you to be able to analyze the stock. And that's how I've been doing it consecutively. I've been doing this for years, that It's always based on the charts. It's always based on what the technicals are telling me, that I don't have to guess or speculate what it is, because everything I need to know is found in the charts. Everything I need to know is found on based on what the technicals are telling me. So I encourage you, wherever you are in life, it only takes a few minutes of your time. If it takes a few minutes of your time for you to be able to reach for your dreams, then do it, then push for it, then attack it. Try to make the most of what you have. Please remember, no one will fight for your dreams stronger, bigger than you. That's why you need to spend a lot of time developing that skill, developing that craft, for you to be able to win, because I want to see more Filipinos win. I want to see more Filipinos. It's time for the world to see Philippines or Filipinos to be rich and prosperous. We're not poor people. Our country's not poor. It's all about how you see it and how you perceive it. If you see that you are rich, if you see that you will live a better life, take the time to hustle, take the time to learn. What you do on your spare time will determine how rich you will be. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope it's something that added so much value to you. The reason why I make as much videos as I can is so that we create a framework that people can make money, Filipinos can make money from the stock market, that it's not as hard as what most people think it is, that wherever you are, whatever your narrative is, whatever your job is that you can trade the markets and you can win using technical analysis. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.